Hey everyone, have 2 bunches and 4 braids and drop the braids at the sides on the ponytail and braid the ponytail and make it swirl clockwise and secure its place with a large hair clip. Have 3 bunches and insert a hair loop into the middle one and make a twisted pattern by making it come down. Divide it into 2, braid it along with the bunches at the sides and make a twist by swirling it clockwise and securing it with the hair clip. Attach the 2 little braids on the ponytail and straighten it with the bun maker and roll it to the top and form a circle hiding the bun maker with the hair and have a beautiful bun cover and secure it. Have a beautiful hairband with ribbons at the ends and have 2 strips of hair tie a band and make the twisted pattern securing it. Then have 2 sections of hair at the back, make 2 ponytails and make the braids, bend it over, then secure it with the ribbon, tie it all over and have a bow tie design using a rubber band. Have 2 bunches at the sides and apply hair wax and create a loop and drop the tips inside making a heart shape. Secure the loop with a rubber band and have braids and attach it to the section of hair and braid it at the bottom and have a curvy design using rubber band. Have 3 ponytails, split the middle one into 2 and braid it and fix it along with the side ones and split the side ones into 2 as well and create a loop and bend it inside. Straighten your ponytail with a bun maker and completely roll it and fix it on top. Make a swirl and hide the bun maker with the hair by extending it. Have a rubber band. Have 5 ponytails and split that into 2 and have rubber bands and combine all of them into a common rubber band forming a star shape. Then with the remaining ponytail have a bun. Have 2 braids at the bottom of the ponytail and the remaining straighten it up with the bun maker and make the bun up. Thank you guys for watching this video.